Grand National Roadster Show, day 2. Now, if you're building custom cars, you know this already. Once the engine is in the car, you want to leave it there. You don't want to have to keep pulling it out and doing tests on it. Well, here's a solution for you. Al, how you doing, man?
Yes, I'm doing
EasyRun engine test stands. Now, what you do is you provide a service for what I'm talking about. You can completely test your engine before it goes into the car.
That's correct, Chris. What we do is our stand is so universal that we make it easy for our clients to be able to mount virtually any engine manufacturer on the stand with ease. And time is of the essence. Time, money, and aggravation is what we're trying to help our clients with. We allow you to be able to mount a complete engine with exhaust system onto the engine stand and generally have it running in less than 10 minutes. This is very, very easy. It's very simple. And the quality of the unit allows them to completely test the engine, run it for as long a period of time as they'd like, and make sure that they don't have any oil leaks, water leaks. They can even check fuel-air ratios, and they can just make sure that when the engine either goes to their clients or it goes into a vehicle, it's ready to go.
Up from the starter level, you have units that come with the cooling system attached.
Yes, our shop series has no cooling package, but our professional series, we have all the options that you would ever need. It includes possibly a 2-port radiator, which is designed for your standard General Motors products. Then we have what we call our 4-port radiator option, which allows you to run General Motors, Ford products, Chrysler products, and some unusual combinations. So we give the options for the client to make it easy and affordable for them.
And that's really what it's all about, is having options. Suppose you want to test your engine out with the particular radiator that's going to be going in the vehicle. Well, that's where you want the shop series. The professional series, of course, allows you to have the radiator already set up, the cooling system, so you can test the engine with that. Now, Al, I got to ask you, you obviously probably had some experience with having to pull engines out and putting them back in. That's why you came up with the idea for this product.
You know, we have over the years, as you can tell, all of us have run into problems. Many, many times it could be as simple as a part failure, which the engine builders cannot foresee. The engine builders sometimes may have a machine shop problem. There's various ways that will take a product that you're trying to put out to your client and destroy that product. Sometimes if you turn an engine over to a client or you set it in the car and for some reason there's a problem that's out of your control, your customer still knows that they don't have their engine or they don't have their vehicle. Many times there's a delay in shop, which now takes up extra time, which costs the shop owner money, and the client is unhappy, and that's what we want to avoid.
And of course, these EasyRun engine test stands can accommodate any size engine, right? All of the parts move around.
Absolutely. Our cross members easily slide the full length of the frame, so you can easily run a 4-cylinder engine as well as a big V8 with a blower on it, and you just slide the cross members to meet your needs. There's not a fixed position, so you're not tied to only one mounting position.
Here comes the fun part. We're actually going to fire this bad boy up, but before we do, tell us what kind of motor we got on the stand here.
Well, Chris, what we have here is our standard demo engine for our run stand. This happens to be a 307 that's been freshened up. It's been warmed up a little bit, and I think you'll see how crisp it is, and it's a great runner for us.
And it's easy breezy to do. All we're going to do is switch over the red tab here. The power is on. We turn the coil power on. He's going to work the throttle, and I'm going to hit the start button. Now, we ready?
We're ready.
Here we go. Oh. That's the gearhead mating call, everybody. Look at them all. Look at them all coming around. They hear an engine fired up, they just come out of the woodwork. You gotta love that. And what you can't smell on Hub TV is that wonderful exhaust. Love it, man. And once again, if you're working on your car out there, much easier to test the engine out of the car. EasyRun engine test stand, product for you.